Folks, I think I see him coming out there. Something's going on. There he is, folks. God, what is he doing in there? Okay, folks, I gotta duck down here quickly. I don't want to be seen. That's him, folks. It's him. Stay tight. Stay tight. What's he doing there? Figure out. Let's talk to the dude inside, I guess. It's him, folks. It's him. Just scooch down here so he doesn't see me. What's he doing? Where the hell is he going now? Folks, damn. This is pill dealer. Just Arthur Hand, chump. What the hell? What did you just give him? I know he's on something. It's a veteran. God damn it. I knew he was on something, folks. He's just too hyper lately. Okay, folks, I gotta get out of this car. I gotta follow this guy and see where he's going. He's heading down this way. What's down there? Hang tight, folks. I'll be right with you.